It's a beautiful day today, and here comes the rain. You can see beautiful fall colors. All the trees have changed colors. Beautiful leaves here. Hopefully you're doing well, you're taking care of yourself, and you're trying to do the best for yourself and your family, your friends. I'm enjoying the fall colors here. This is outside my window, and I can't ask for a better view. These trees look beautiful. You can see that. It's a little chilly, of course. It's fall. It's gonna be cold. It's windy, as you can see, and it's raining. Actually, it's raining hard. You might not be able to see on camera, but yeah, it's coming down hard. So take it easy, smile, be happy, have a good day, and enjoy the fall colors. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you don't mind, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. That's up to you. But I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy the fall colors here. And you're seeing this beauty through my eyes. Alright. I hope to see you on the next video. Peace out.